Mm-hmm.
That's just the Navy bought it, but the Navy has loaned it to us for essentially.
So what do you do with this?
So it measures temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen. It can measure pH. Some of them measure chlorophyll.
How deep it can go?
Some of them can go to 1,000 meters. This one, I don't know if it goes to 1,000 or 500. I'm not certain on what the depth rating is.
So where it check the salinity and the water?
So the temperature is measured there, and then the salinity is measured there.
I see.
And there's a pump there. And then there can be other sensors that can measure.
So all the sensors are on this side?
Yeah, all the sensors are here.
What is inside?
So in here is the battery. The battery is moved back and forth to get the pitch.
So it's only elevation it's only moving of the wings. It's not propelled.
So there's no propeller.
No propeller.
The wings don't move. The wings are fixed.
Uh-huh.
So it uses buoyancy. So when it's at the surface, okay, you make it negatively buoyant. So you move the batteries forward, so the attitude is down, and then it slowly glides down. And the batteries can move side to side, so it can go like that or like that.
Okay, so it's only internally moving.
The weight
of the battery.
The weight of the batteries move this way, and also this way and this way. So you can pitch, go like that, or pitch and go like that.
And how you take it back? Just bring it there.
So when you want to get it home, you say, drive here, sit on the surface, and I'll come and get you.
So it's how it's coming up. Just buoyant.
It's positively buoyant.
Okay.
It just when you pump oil, there's a bladder right there. Mm-hmm. There's a bladder there. You pump oil into those. You change the volume, and then it becomes positively buoyant. You move the battery to the back, so it pitches up, and then it will come up to the surface slowly. And then when it's on the surface, you then say, okay, either stay there or keep going.
So it's a GPS calling, send you the message.
It has a GPS, and these are the wings. The wings have antenna for talking to the satellites.
Oh, so it's a satellite.
So satellite telemetric data.